After having successfully grown his poultry farm business, young entrepreneur Dzulrazmin Ishak has high interest in the agro-tourism business. The 32-year-old said his 2-hectare land in Balik Pulau, Penang houses 4,000 ayam kampung, 5 Timonsis deers, 2 cows and a few geese. Dzulrazmin said the land used to be a banana plantation, which was devastated by the mocha disease back then. On top of that, he has set his sight on establishing a mini zoo to attract more visitors to Balik Pulau. For starters, he has his 5 deers that are running around freely in a 60-meter by 30-meter enclosure. Dzulrazmin had invested almost 100,000 ringgit on his farm. Meanwhile, Penang Perkhidmatan Wildlife and National Parks Department Director Lu Kian Seong advised those who wanted to keep any protected species to get the appropriate permit and approval before keeping the animals.